In today's lesson, we'll be doing this consumer week. All right, it's a consumer week, so I've just converted the text into a path. All right, so after typing your text and arranging them like this one is a text, all what you have to do is just click on the create outline. All right, so after you click it, this is gonna turn into a shape, all right, just like this. And then this shape, how I did it was, you just select rectangle and then hold shift while you drag so you can get accurate square. All right, and then I rotated it by holding the shift, okay, and then I rotated it 45 degrees, and then here I selected here and then just like this. Okay, yeah, and then for here I just duplicate this one, like Control C, Control F. All right, Control C to copy, Control F to paste in place. Hold shift while you drag it to get accurate like this. Let's change the color to white so we can see it well. So just like this. Okay, yeah, and then I duplicate it by holding Alt while I drag it down here, just like this. Okay, and to achieve this kind of effect, all that I do was to increase this one just like this. All right, and then for this side and this side, that's the left and the right side, I click here while and then I hold shift and then you click this dot, so it will select only this and this side, and then try to open in just like this. Okay, and then the top to just select the top and then the down while hold shift just like this, and then drag it in. Sorry, select this and then here and then like this. Okay, so like this, select and then just like this, and then let us increase the size just like this. Yeah, and that is how I was able to achieve this effect, this shape. All right, but what we are going to do, we want this one to look like it's like a holder that you can hang it on a wall or something like that. That's why I created this effect. So when we go to Cinema 4D, we will place some thing here. All right, and then you know why I did that. Okay, so select all and then center them just like this, and then select this one while you hold shift and select the red color, that's this one, and then click on this one, click minus font. All right, just like this to get this effect. Okay, and that's how I was able to achieve this one. And then the text, I just arrange it like this. So after you type your text, you arrange it anyhow you want it to be. Okay, yeah, and then that is this one. It's just a circle or ellipse with this dollar sign. Okay, now let us delete this one. So this is what will be importing in Cinema 4D and start working it. So after creating the path in Illustrator just like this, okay, you convert all the text into a path or an outline. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then when you are done, just go to file and then save as and give it a title or a name. I'll call this one consumer week and then save. Okay, and when you reach this part, make sure you select version 3, that is Illustrator 3. Okay, just select that one and then hit OK, and That is it. So we are done with we are done creating the path. Okay, the path, we are done creating it. So what is left is for us to open Cinema 4D and start the modeling process. So check lesson 2 for the modeling part and then follow along. All right.